Dalesha's life.
Up, a little
Hey.
up.
Oh,
There you go.
hey guys. We're here at the mall and we're getting some food. I have a wrap right here and some coffee. And then we're gonna do a little bit of shopping. I wanted to see what they had at Pink, at Victoria's Secret Pink. I heard they had some jogging suits, so I wanted to look at those and then look at maybe I can find some slacks and stuff for my aunt passed away, so I gotta find some nice slacks because I don't own any, and then I have to find a purple top. So
And you can't wear a purple dress? I forgot that.
I could, but I don't know how I look in a purple dress. I would rather wear a black dress. And then here's Manny, and he's eating French fries, burning his tonsils because he said they're hot.
They are, but I'm hungry, so I'm waiting.
Did you
on
blow?
A little bit. Obviously not enough with that last fry.
Oh, there's his food. Then he got the guy messed up on that wrap right there, so that's why he's getting this actual wrap over here, Zach's Wraps. And then I got some coffee over from this place right here. They've been around for a while, about a year and some change. This is a hazelnut coffee with almond milk, so I'm happy people are starting to have almond or coconut milk because I shouldn't have regular dairy milk. All squared away.
Yes.
So,
You guys, are you talking about me?
yeah, I was saying that where I got the coffee from and where you went to get your wrap.
It's called Zach's Wraps. I showed it to everybody before.
I showed them again,
It's a good place.
and he's obsessed with it. I'm surprised you haven't ordered it on DoorDash. Actually,
You know what? I keep forgetting that they're on there, but I don't know.
But it's probably better maybe to come here and eat it fresh, which the aluminum foil keeps it hot, so you know if the driver doesn't take too long.
And if we did everything on DoorDash, then there'd be nothing to look forward to when we come to the mall anymore. I mean,
Yeah, I guess.
it's depressing. There's really not much.
Yeah, we just were walking upstairs and we saw like a lot of the kiosks in the middle were going by the merry-go-round if you've ever been to White Oaks Mall.
But even if you haven't, there's just giant.
No, I know. I was just saying so they know what like to imagine.
Yeah, and like in the just imagine a large open space with just nothing. But then you look a little further and there are things, so it just looks completely
bare.
out of place. And it just looks.
Nobody's really at the mall today either. Like usually it's a bunch of mall walkers and like not that many kids downstairs either. I mean around. There was no kids at the play area, so. But yeah, so we're about to eat a little something, huh?
No, I said, but whatever.
We're about to eat a little
And then
something and then go find some clothes. So, see y'all in a bit.
Hey guys, we are now on our way to Express to see if we can find. I told her. It is. I told her that I think it would be better to get just one purple dress instead of getting slacks and then getting a separate top. And on top of everything, she doesn't like purple that much, so more than likely this is going to be worn one time and then, you know, assuming she doesn't ruin it, I don't know, keep it in the closet or maybe even return it. So let's not get two different things. It just seems unnecessary. Here we are.
You probably won't be able to talk. I mean, you probably have to talk in here or either.
Okay.
We're gonna have to.
And if not, they'll replace it with the thing. Don't worry about that anymore.
They'll replace it.
I mean, they'll tell you they can put something over.
No, I'm talking about.
I know. All right, here we are in Express, guys.
Well, definitely not with this one.
Yeah. All right, let's see what we find today. Express is kind of nice, but it's kind of expensive. All right, so
you're trying on the slacks.
and
first.
she's not taking my advice. She's gonna do slacks, so and a top.
Because I didn't say I was gonna do that. I said as an option. I'm trying on everything.
Look how wavy these are, guys.
wavy, no flare.
Look at this.
Look,
Mercy.
yeah, I'll stand up here so I can.
Uh-huh. We see.
See, they're so flary, but and they're not fitted, so they wouldn't be inappropriate.
Uh-huh.
See?
Yeah.
I'm talking to them.
Oh, sorry.
And it comes with a nice belt too, you know.
Huh?
So that's,
Very schwanky.
I don't really wear slacks, y'all, so.
Now, in case anybody is wondering, at the angle, yes, I'm sitting on the floor. There's not a lot of room in here, so
Yeah.
I need to sit
I
on
don't
the
think
floor.
they have a handicap one here at Express.
I don't think we need a handicap one.
I'm saying because it'd be wider.
Yeah, but still.
Anyway,
That's for people in wheelchairs.
but nobody even comes.
Alright, we'll be back with the next one. Now we're back with the next set of
Yeah,
pants.
stupid.
Or pair of pants, I guess.
These are different. They're fitted to my ankle. But I don't know why the stupid clamp won't go. I guess it's on now. Oh, let me. But these are more fitted.
I
as
see.
can
We're
see.
looking.
And the leg go all the way
Mhm.
down. And they
We
won't
see.
drag.
No, no drag.
This is how they look in the front. And these aren't high-waisted like the last one. But they have the same button thing, but no free belt.
Oh, that's terrible.
And look like this.
Uh-huh.
And they have like a little smooth satiny thing right on the inside, which is
Comfortable?
different.
How does it feel? Like, I mean,
It feels tighter than the other ones, like more, but not uncomfortably tight.
gotcha.
Oh, it's like a silk thing in the pockets too, like different material. So you get 2 real pockets and 2 fake pockets in the back. So these are okay too.
Yeah? Alright. Just so everybody knows before we move on, the last pair of pants, we looked at the price after we shut off the camera and they were $86.
But if you shop at Express, you know that they're pricey anyway.
Yeah,
But
well.
they're more of a dressy store anyway, so I guess.
Alright, let's go to the next one. Alright. What was that?
These make me feel good. I like them. They're slightly high-waisted.
Yeah.
These are more fitted, I feel like. And they go all the way
Yeah?
down.
We see, we
And they're
see.
They're much more stretchier than the
Much
other
more stretchier.
two. Okay.
Sorry. You did that to me earlier, so.
But yeah, they look nice on me. They accentuate the hips.
They accentuate the hips. Phrase of the week.
Anyway, you like them? Which ones do you like?
I like these and I like the flurry ones at first.
The
I
thin
like
ones? But you said they're gonna
these seem inappropriate for a funeral though. Sorry.
They're too fitted.
Yeah, that's not. I don't think that's how you should dress. I think people that go to funerals dress a little nicer. This is not.
How much are? Oh well, we got.
We'll look at the price in a minute.
But the last ones were 70.
70.
Or something.
No, 70.
Oh, okay. So we keep going down. So maybe these, maybe 60.
Yeah, but you can't wear them to the funeral, so it doesn't matter.
I do, but I can come back one day.
Oh, all right.
All right. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
The last item is the dress. It's kind of too low cut for a funeral. I don't like wearing dresses, and it's low, short around the leg. So, I mean, it's okay, but I'm not a dress person. And then this has a little flare. You get in the back.
Yeah, I'm getting it all.
Okay. Yeah, and then I don't like this gappiness. I don't know. I just don't like dresses like that. But I like the slacks. Those were good.
Looks like I think we found a winner with the first
But those are
flowy slacks.
86.
86. No, yeah, they're getting expensive, but well, if you, I don't know
I
what to
feel
tell
like,
you.
well, and then with slacks, I can always reuse them.
Yeah, true. Isn't there a place in the mall that has kind of formal stuff, like dresses and things? Maybe you can
But
go
they're
look
more
there.
expensive than here.
You think?
White House, Black Market, and stuff like that. They're either the same prices or they'll be more expensive.
That's a shame. Yeah. Okay. And we didn't see the price on this yet, but we'll take a look.
Have you been making sure you put the right cord?
Oh, I think I have. Alright guys, well, we'll see what we pick and we'll let you know.
Yeah.
Alright, so we made a decision.
Yeah, I got my purchase, so I gotta make sure to keep the tags on until Grandma sees it on me, and
Because the return policy is 60 days with all the tags on.
And
so
the
just in
receipt.
case.
I don't know.
And the receipt.
That doesn't make sense to me. As long as I have the tag in the bag and as long as I have the receipt, I think that we should be able to return it, but that's express for you. So, I'm gonna show them. You moving me out of the frame.
No, you're still there. You're still there?
I was way off.
No, you're fine.
Anyway.
Go on.
As I was saying, I'm gonna try them on with my grandma, and can you go over your arm? I feel like...
Just talk.
I know. Give me a thing, because I didn't like how you had me. Dude. Anyway, and then we'll see how it fits, and then they didn't have any purple tops that I think that my uncle's looking for the funeral, so I didn't want to get it, because the way she was describing them, I think they were lighter than what he's looking for, and I don't want to, you know, he told everybody the color scheme, so I want to follow his wishes for the funeral. And maybe my grandma can take us and find a purple top or something this weekend.
There you go.
So now is
time to go back home and
well, all that's left is for you to find the top or find pants in the top. But I think
I already have pants. I have a whole suit. I just need a purple shirt.
I know. That's what I was about to say.
Yeah,
They cut me off. Anyway, so we'll wrap it up.
Well, guys, as always, remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, please. After you do, share the channel with your friends and family. Whether you subscribe or you don't, please share it. And we will see you guys.
And leave us feedback.
Leave us feedback. As always, I said like, comment, didn't I?
I know, I'm just saying.
Definitely leave us feedback. And guys, we'll see you on Monday. Have a nice weekend. See you guys.